how to install a Turbosmart Intercooler to the current generation Ranger Raptor. These are one of the easiest intercoolers on the market to install currently. They are a direct replacement for the original, but still feature a 75% increase in internal core volume. You don't need to do any cutting or any drilling to install, and you can actually fit it at home on your driveway without even jacking the vehicle up. So we want to remove the bash plate or under tray. You've got 4 15mm bolts. You've got to fully remove the front ones, and the rear ones, you just want to loosen them a bit. Drop it down and then slide it forward. Now, you don't have to remove the recovery point covers. I just find it easier to do so. So if you want to whip them off, you've got a T30 each side of them. To pull these off, there's a little hook. So you want to push it to the back of the vehicle and then roll it down, just so you can unhook those like that. Next, you want to remove 10mm bolt either side of the intercooler. Remove the 2 15mm bolts that hold the recovery points to the chassis. They also hold the intercooler in place. Right, these intercooler hoses, start with the passenger side first because there's 2 of them. They've got these retaining clips, so you want to grab them and pull them fully out on both sides. Once you've got them out like that, then you can give the hose a bit of a wiggle and it will pop off. Now that all the hoses are off, literally just gently pull the intercooler down, and it'll all come down as one unit like that. With it balancing there, now we can refit our hoses. Make sure your wire retainers are popped back into their slots, and you're literally going to push it in until you hear it click. Give it a little tug, check it's locked in. Now do the 2 on the other side. Double check your rubber is in its locator, and double check the other side as well. Refit your recovery points. And now torque the 4 15mm bolts to 80 Newton meters. Refit your 2 10mm bolts. Refit your recovery covers. Remember there's the little hook. So you want to push it in, tilt it up, and then push it forward. Refit your T30 bolts. Refit your under tray, hooking the back of it in on the bolts at the back there. Torque these 4 15mm bolts to 30 Newton meters. And that's how you fit a Turbosmart Intercooler to a current gen Ranger Raptor.